Chloramphenicol rapid test kit for tissue. First, let's talk what we have in this box. A part of the manual we have here. We also have one tube with 10 microwells and 10 test strips. We have 2 bottles of reagent A, 2 bottles of reagent B, 10 capsules of reagent C, 1 bottle of reagent D, and also 10 solid phase extractions. It is important to note that our reagent B is normal hexane. Our first step is sample preparation. We have already prepared 6 grams of homogeneous tissue sample. In this case, we have duck meat. Now, after preparing the samples, we take 8 milliliters of reagent A and put it in the sample. This is twice 4 milliliters. Vortex for 20 to 30 seconds. Centrifuge for 2 minutes at 4000 RPM. Alright, so here we'll take the supernatant. We'll take 6 milliliters of the supernatant and transfer it to the other tube. Means 3 milliliters twice. We will pour the reagent B to the mark point of 30 to 32.5 milliliters. Then we put the powder, the reagent C. Mix well around 5 times. Keep it standing for 30 to 60 seconds and make sure it will look like this way. Connect the extraction column. Tied it up, everything. Make sure there is pressure. Now pour the supernatant. Be careful not to put the sediment. Turn on the vacuum pump. Wait until all the fluid goes down. Take it out. Release the pressure and turn off the vacuum pump. Now we place 2 milliliter centrifuge tubes in this cover and cover everything. We add 600 microliters of reagent D. Make some pressure and turn on the vacuum pump. Once again, wait for the liquids to flow. Now we release the pressure and turn off the vacuum pump. This is what we have, and this is for the next step of testing. We will take microwells, the number of microwells we need. In this case we need 2 microwells. And from the detection liquid we will take 200 microliters and transfer it to the red micro well. Mix it well, of course. Incubate for 3 minutes. While having the incubation, the first incubation, we prepare test strips for the next step. Alright, so the first incubation is about to finish, and now we place the test strips. And incubate for another 3 minutes. Now second incubation is about to finish. We take the sample pads and first we compare with the manual we have. Then we would like to use our SAF reader. So we go to the test item mode, press the green button, then we choose our item, our tested item. We place the test strip and press test. Then the result we have here, result number 46, it is negative. Negative in terms of our limits of detections. Place the test strip and test. Samples 46 and 47 are negative in terms of our limits of detection, in terms of our chloramphenicol limits of detection.